Hey guys, this is Counterman from Trade for Freedom. Happy Wednesday. So we're looking at the market right now, and so we're going to start off with SPY. So SPY had a massive drop the last couple of days, and we have mentioned this that first line of defense would be at 750. We're expecting a push up, but unfortunately it broke down. And so the last line of defense we're looking at is 730. So this is critical area for SPY. So yesterday it looked like it was going to break and it broke down below 730 and we had to wait for a daily candle. So daily candle showed that buyers were waiting at the gap and then they grabbed liquidity and they pushed the price back up. Okay. So it's not decided. So it did not break the gap. Okay. It did not close the gap, but it grabbed liquidity and now it looks like price is going to hit from 730 to 750, depending on how the market closes today. So it's really critical for SPY right now, especially those of you who's got a lot of calls of many stocks or cash secure puts. You want them to get realized. So we are actually looking for the bounce from here, from 730 all the way up to 750. So this is our expectation, okay, for SPY. But we got to wait until it closes on the daily, all right? So next up, we're going to have a look at RKLB. It's RKLB. So Rocket Lab, it was really performing, okay. This time, which I think is in the 8th of May, I think it had some news or something. So it really pushed up. It overshot the channel. It's a long channel, okay, from the bottom. It overshot the channel and now it's back at the channel. So two scenarios. One, it will bounce and it go up, okay, like exactly like how we drew it, okay. So we're expecting the price to go up from here, or it might make a deeper retracement and then towards the bottom of the channel, and I will look for price to go sideways. Okay. I wouldn't classify on the technical side using the harmonic Elliott wave patterns. I wouldn't classify RKLB as like a solid bullish stock. Okay. Doesn't mean if it's trading, if making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, doesn't mean that it's a bullish stock according to our system. It has to move in a certain fashion. Okay. Certain market structure for me to determine if it's actually a bullish stock or not. So for RKLB, it's so-so for us, okay, so-so. Nevertheless, we're expecting a bounce from here or either deeper retracement to go sideways from there. Okay, next stock we're going to look at is RDW. So RDW, as mentioned, is it's a triangle, okay. It's a triangle. So normally if it breaks out a triangle, this was something that we were expecting, okay, because it broke up parabolically. So the saying is the faster it goes up, the harder it drops. So it went up too fast without proper market structure. And then the minute it hit the top, it's like, you throw a tennis ball towards the ceiling and, ceiling didn't break. And what's next? The ball is just going to fall all the way down, which is what's happening to RDW. So hit the ceiling and it's falling down hard. If you guys are wondering where RDW is going to find its support, I would say first support area would be around about $14. And if it drops further down, then probably around this region, okay, about $10 or so. So it's $14 and $10. This is the price that I'll be looking at for RDW to test. Can I say it will eventually go up from here? Let me check. Let me check if this is actually a solid stock, okay? So you've got wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C of wave 3, very deep correction, wave 4, and A, B, and C wave 5. Yeah. As long as it respects the solid area of demand, which is here, and I think it never traded below this price, which is 487. Okay, did it go below 487? Nope, it's exactly at 487. So having said that, I'm still expecting RDW to make a climb towards the top side. I'm expecting the bounce from here. I think this will be a good area for it to bounce. So basically it's A, B, C, A of wave 5, B of wave 5, and C of wave 5. So we're expecting RDW to bounce around $14 towards the upside. Okay, so watch out for that. Next, before we move to the next stock, have a look at our tradeforfreedom.co website. This is our website. Okay, let me go back. Okay, by the way, this is my dashboard. Okay, so I've mentioned this in most of the videos we do. We have a watch list. We've got all the all our, what do you call that? Uh, the things that you can use on a dashboard. Okay, you got the watch list, many different categories. You can add, remove them, add any stocks you want. They're updated live every single second. You have a VIP training desk if you like what we do and you like the information, you want to learn more, or you want to have some more alerts, more signals, more setups, and please join us, upgrade to VIP. Nevertheless, you can join us on our Discord. Please join us on our Discord. Everything is free on the community chat channel. There's a lot of information there, a lot of setups, a lot of mapping. If you want any stocks, you want us to map and see if it's actually a bullish stock, where to trade, where to buy, what's the ceiling and all that, just let us know. We'll do it for you, okay? So that's RDW. Next, we can have a look at Lunar. Okay, Lunar as well. It's coming back into this area. I'm expecting for Lunar to make a bounce. At the same time, it's got a channel. It's got a channel to the upside. So it overshot the channel, bounce, went up, came down. So the area of interest would be at the bottom of the channel. But if you ask me if the stock is going to go really high or really low, or it's going to go sideways, I can't really tell. I can't really tell for now. Okay, you got to let it develop a bit more and then we'll see. But it's looking like it's going to start trading sideways more. We have news on Friday, which is regarding space. That's the reason why most of the stocks we're doing now are all space stocks. So we're expecting Luna still to make a climb. If it actually gets to the top or what, I'm not sure, but we shall see. Okay, we take it one day at a time. Next, we can look at Nebius. So Nebius, let me see on the Nebius. Okay, I'm just going to remove this. Okay, Nebius is strong. Okay, Nebius, we have wave 1, wave 2, wave A, B, C, or wave 3. I'm expecting a wave 4 correction to wave 5. Okay, and then we have a very solid area of demand, which is quite low from where the current price is. So it might not actually come down to this price. But nevertheless, Nebius is a strong stock. Price is in the middle right now, so it's neither premium nor discount. If you guys would like to get in on Nebius, would expect the price to drop a bit lower, so you have a better opportunity to get in at a cheaper price before it goes back up. That will be the best case scenario for Nebius, or those of you who are bullish on Nebius. Next stock is Palantir or Planet Labs. Okay, let's go for PL. Planet Labs. Let me see. So we have wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C, wave 3, A, B. Okay, so yeah, it's still a bullish stock. Planet Labs is still bullish on the technical side using the harmonic Elliott wave patterns. And also at the same time, we're expecting the stock to go up, and also they have a channel. Let me adjust the channel a bit. Okay. So yeah, the channel is there, not the nicest. It overshot a bit, came back to the bottom of the channel. Expecting the price to go up, okay? So most likely it's either going to make a bounce here like this, or it's going to make a deeper bounce and probably come down and start to go up like that. A few possibilities on this. But nevertheless, we're looking for PL to hit towards the upside very soon, okay? Next, and yeah, I think so that's it for today. I think I went through quite a number of stocks. So ultimately, this week is really important. I think all the stocks, I think people are really cautious whether it's going to be a bullish market or a bearish market. So we can gauge this from looking at SPY. So SPY currently it's rejecting, but it's not confirmed yet. So got to wait for today to close, and we have a better idea if it's going to hit up at least to 750, or it might trade further down and go to around 700. So as long as it's a bullish candle like this, like a doji size, or I don't know what is it called in Japanese candlestick patterns, but if it's something like this when the market closes, then it's quite there's a high chance that market might just open up the following day and go up like this on a bullish green candle. So let's see how SPY closes today. I think today, the next few days is very critical for the US market. Okay, guys, so join us on Discord. We are all over the place, YouTube, Discord. Log into our website, create an account there. You can have your own watch list. You can place alerts, above and below a price that you are looking you intend to look at. And yeah, so see you in Discord. Please join us there and take care. See you guys tomorrow. Ciao.